Hey guys, Zach here with Sherpa Equipment Company. Today we're going to be showing you how to put together our propane mount and install it onto your window panels. The first step is going to be unpackaging your mount. It's going to come in two separate pieces and you'll have a small hardware bag as well. The only tools you're going to need are going to be a 10mm wrench and a size 3 Allen key. First step, I usually recommend laying out your hardware, making sure you have it all. Once you've unpackaged all the hardware, you're going to have one hinge. You're going to have 4 of the countersunk bolts, matching washers, and nylock nuts. That's all going to be to attach the hinge itself to the outer portion of the mount. Additionally, you're going to have 4 1-inch bolts and 4 3/4-inch bolts to attach the actual mount itself to the window panel. Utilize the shortest one possible while still getting good engagement on the nylocks. Usually that's the 3/4, but we include the 1-inch in case you need a longer bolt. Let's go ahead and get the hinge installed onto the propane mount itself. The first step, we're going to take our hinge itself. I usually recommend holding it in place. That way we know exactly it's the right dimension. So in this case, our hinge is going to attach like that. I'm going to take it off, holding it in place just so I have the right orientation. You're going to drop 2 of those countersunk bolts through. And then we're going to flip the mount over and we'll attach the washer and nylock onto this side. Once you have those ones loose, we can go ahead and grab our Allen key, that size 3, a 10mm wrench, and we're just going to go ahead and tighten that up. Typical of most installations, I usually recommend snugging one side up, go to the other side while the one is still semi-snug, just to ensure they get tightened evenly. Once you have that one on, it should look like that, with the nuts on the inside. And we're going to go ahead and repeat the process onto the mount itself. I usually set the mount in place, get level with it, and you can insert those other 2 bolts. Once those are in place, go ahead and hold them in, and we attach the nylock nut onto these parts of the hinge as well. I'm going to go ahead and turn it vertical just to make tightening these up a little easier for myself. Take that 3, put it on the outside, and then we are just going to tighten those up. You'll have the additional 4 on the inside, 2 on the inside edge of the mount, and 2 on the door. And it should hinge closed nice and easily. We can go ahead, grab our latch. We'll go ahead and put it down and just make sure that everything is going to line up nice and well. It's going to be loose without a propane canister in it. I'm just making sure everything lines up for now. Now that we've got the propane mount fully assembled and ready to go, we're going to go ahead and showcase how to install it onto a window panel. As far as that goes, you're just going to want to choose where you want it on the window panel. For this setup, I'm just going to put it in the center here just to show how it can be installed. Once you've decided where you want the propane mount to sit on the window panel, you're going to go ahead and insert your bolts from behind. You don't want to put them through the window panel just to ensure there's no risk of the nut or the bolt contacting the window itself. So what you're going to want to do, in this case, we're going to take the 3/4-inch bolts. I'm going to pass one through the window panel and the mount. I'm going to put on a washer and then a nylock nut. And then I'm going to find 3 other locations to bolt the panel on as well. During this process, if some of your holes aren't lining up, you can adjust the mount as needed to get them to line up. Once you've got 4 bolts in place, we'll go ahead and just tighten those in and you'll be set to go. Another way you can install the propane mount is going to be to accessory panels on our bed racks. This exact accessory panel has our traction board mounts on it just because it's in our showroom. You will not have those on if you're also trying to mount a propane mount. But it's super simple to get these installed. Choose the location you'd like as well as the height. You can choose kind of higher or lower on the mount itself. I'm just going to do about the middle. This is a good example of where you can use those 1-inch bolts if you'd like. They're going to go just straight through the mount, straight through the accessory panel, And then we're just gonna simply put a washer and a nut on the back side. When you're mounting these bolts, a little bit different than the window panel, you don't necessarily want to push the bolt straight through. Your propane tank might run into that. The only time you want to have the bolt coming from the back forward is going to be when you're installing on a window panel. Otherwise, you're going to want to put the bolt straight through, like these three, and this one, and the nut and washer on the back side. And this one, I'm going to go here, just to kind of help spread out. Kind of the more spread out you can have them. If you'd like them even with each other, you can do that. I just recommend having 4 on the whole mount to keep it secure. And that's going to be how to install the Sherpa propane tank attachment to your rack or bed rack. If you have any questions, concerns, reach out to our customer service team via phone or email and we'll get any questions answered. Thanks, guys.